Hi, my name's Rocky Browne, Transwest Trucks in Belton, Missouri. We're going to show you a new truck today we just got in. It's a 2021 Bolt Custom. It's made off the Freightliner M2 chassis, and it does have the Cummins ISL 9-liter engine with the Allison 6-speed transmission. So let's do a walk around on it and I'll show you a little bit about it. So if you look at the truck, the running boards are a little bit different than our other builds. It's got more of a tread plate on here, and it does have LED lighting, so at night you can see the steps when you're stepping down. You got a lot of storage in this truck. The truck has got storage containers on both sides. These pull out as such. And you've also got right at 8 to 9 feet of cubic feet of storage in here. These are a very well built truck. Can be used for pleasure, work, hauling, anything. So if you walk around here, the step on the back deck is really nice and big. It's got a lot of room here. And it does have the air lines ran to the back for your glad hands if you have air brakes on your trailer. And on the hitches, we actually got two inserts here, a 2.5 and a 2-inch, and we could put a 30,000-pound ball in the bed for you. It's not a problem. That's already something we do. We just haven't put it in there yet. You got your two different hookups for your brakes right here in your trailer for your brakes. You've got, this has got the same storage on this side, as you can see again. This is really a cool deal, this slide out box that we built on there. The headache rack up here has got 4 LED lights and the camera. As you can see, it's very well engineered, very well made. A lot of good storage in this truck. As you can see, we'll go around the other side in a second here, but it does have the full bench seat in the back. And if you look at the headliner up above, it does have indirect LED lighting that we have an opportunity to change them to like 5 different colors. You can go from blue, purple, red, yellow, green, and so we have that option too. It's kind of really, looks really nice at night. Then you got heated seats on both sides, and you got air ride seats in the cab. And we got the full screen Stinger stereo with GPS, Sirius, XM radio. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood on this so you can look underneath the hood. It's one of our better engines that's available on the Freightliner, I believe, is the 9-liter. I really like it. Had very few issues with it. So going inside here, as you can see, the interior, a lot of it's done in carbon fiber. We did a dash in carbon fiber. The door handle's got the pull handle, and we wrapped it in a really nice looking leather. And the console below has got USB ports. Yeah, it's got 5 cup holders, and they're LED lighted also. This truck, it was engineered by us through a company, and I'm going to tell you something, it's built very, very well. This is only the second one we've ever got, and we continue to build several more down the road. So let us know if you've got any questions on the truck. You can reach me anytime, and my name is Rocky Browne at Transwest Trucks. and my phone number is 816-400-9179. Thank you very much and have a great day.